Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and today we got a little bit different kind of video. We are going to take a look, a overview of the Polynesian Resort. Now this is my favorite resort, and I've been going to the Polynesian for lots of different reasons and videos here lately, and I have a big AVA guide in store for you adventurers. But today we are going to do a full overview. We're going to check the pool. We're going to check the rooms. We're going to talk Ohana. We're going to talk Tambu Lounge. And of course, hunt that resort specific merchandise. So come with me on this tiki adventure to Disney's Polynesian Resort. I got you. Let's go do this. We are headed into the Polynesian. This is my favorite resort, and we're gonna take a look around. I can't wait. I always love getting to come to the Poly. Any excuse to come here is awesome. Smells great as soon as you walk in. Let's have a look around. It's absolutely beautiful lobby. The vibes in here are awesome. It is really that vintage 1950s Hawaiian tiki culture that was so popular then. It really has those vibes more than any. I mean, more than pure Hawaiian. It has those 50s tiki Hawaiian vibes. It was so popular after World War II. There are a couple of different stores in here. That's Moana Mercantile. We are gonna go in the bigger store and search for some resort specific merchandise. Let's go start there. We'll have a little bit more of a look around the lobby as we go. Of course, the Polynesian is home to the very famous and popular Ohana restaurant. That is a character breakfast where you get to meet Lilo and Stitch and Mickey Mouse in the mornings. And then in the evenings, it is all the delicious meat and, of course, the delicious noodles, and the pineapple, banana, bread pudding. Absolutely delicious. And little secret, you can get some of that right here at the Tambu Lounge. We just arrived at Poly for the Tambu Lounge. Let's go see what we can get into. Look at that. The tallest drink for the oldest. Look, go in order. At the Tambu Lounge, I ordered the back scratcher. They have my back scratcher in stock, but one and only other time I ordered it, they cheated me on the back scratcher and I didn't get it, but this time I've got it. We also have a mojito and a margarita at the table, so it's going down in the Tambu Lounge. I am in here at Tambu Lounge. I just ordered myself something tropical, Bahama Mama. Now this is not normally my type of drink. I'm a old-fashioned or a beer guy or a coffee liqueur, mudslide type guy, White Russian. But you are in the spirit of Hawaii and the tropical setting. I feel like you have to have sort of a tropical drink, so I went with a classic Bahama Mama. Used a straw because it was about to spill, but it is good. It's a lot sweeter than I normally drink drinks, but You just got to kind of sit here, enjoy the view and the vibe. This is a great spot for adults. If you're here with no children too, you can just chill out, get drinks. You can get snacks and food from the bar that actually come from Ohana. And you can just have a very relaxing time, sit here and just slip away and relax. I'm gonna do that now. Way off in the distance right there, we'll see if you'll be able to see it, is Cinderella's castle. So in theory, you could sit right here and watch the fireworks. I absolutely love the Polynesian. And to be honest, I've never stayed here. I've just visited resort hopping or eating at Ohana quite a few times. But I'm really looking forward to staying here eventually for a nice, long, leisurely stay. Because I think that's the best way to enjoy the deluxe resorts, is to do it at a leisurely pace and not have to run to the parks all the time, because you want to really enjoy the hotel if you're going to pay that price point. All right, here we go. I absolutely love this resort hotel, the vibe. I'm a very chill person. I think Jimmy Buffett is my soul animal, or spirit animal. But it is time to continue on. All right, we're going to check out a room, open house style, and it's out past Trader Sam's. So we're going downstairs right now by Ohana. Go check it out, and I'll give you guys a look around. If you haven't got a chance to stay at the Poly, I mean, full disclosure, I haven't stayed here. I've just been here many, many times. This is my absolute favorite resort, and you got to come check it out.
What are they? These are my old Adidas. Oh, they're pretty. I mean, I could like previous seconds. Yeah. So I got new sneakers, specifically black. So I can wear them. Oh yeah, and they were so. Yeah. I never even had seen this walkway. The shades of green. I know. Okay. Sell that. I may buy it. Probably. I know. I keep going back here and it's like. Okay. No, you're totally fine. You're right. Maybe the door will be that's it. Okay. It's great. Okay.
Checking out the new Moana rooms here at the Polynesian. Got a garden view. This is in the shades of green area here at the Polynesian. Quick look around. As I mentioned, Ohana is a very, very popular restaurant. You better get your reservations in early if you're coming on vacation here and you want to drop in. I love Ohana. I love going for dinner. I have never been for breakfast, but I am going for breakfast in February, so we'll make sure that we review that. Of course, I have a lot of trips down here before February, but you have to schedule these things way out, and I look forward to that and my stay here, and we'll cover everything and do a full AVA guide at that time, so make sure you check back for that. But right now, let's head into the store and see if we can find some of that resort-specific merchandise. Now we're on the bottom level. When you get off the monorail, you're actually on the second level. And that's where Ohana is. And that is where Tambu Lounge is. But if you come downstairs, this is where the better store is. The boutique. Let's see what we can find at the boutique. This is a deluxe resort. It's also a DVC resort. So you're going to have a lot of stuff that is resort specific. And as soon as you walk in the door, it hits you right in the face.
Really?
Aloha. You have a whole table full of stuff, including the little idol. You can get you a Dole Whip cookie jar. More shirts. Looks like Moana back there. Oh yes. Now we got just a classic little thin sweatshirt. Disney Polynesian Resort. Nothing over the top. I like it. You have some Trader Sam's Grotto stuff. That's really cool. You have a lounge fly. Now you know that I love art prints. And this one is really awesome. That is the view from here, staring at the castle. Wish you were here, it says. I love it. You have a chip and dip hospitality set. There is a lot of stuff in here. I mean, we could be in here a really long time. A really long, ooh, sorry, I got so close there. A really, really long time. We have a cool new sketchbook ornament. Very cool. And of course, the dad straw hat. Like I said, the vibe in here is 100% me. I have those different vibes, but everything begins and ends with stuff that is vintage. And this very vintage feeling in here, the old school tiki culture after the war. Like I said, I love it. It's very 50s style tiki stuff, which stands to reason because this place was built with that in mind, you know, starting back before the 1970s when it went under construction. And you gotta love it. You gotta love it. I love these resort specific shirts. It's like an old postcard. Paradise waits for you. The Polynesian Village Resort with the Dole Whip. Of course, the Aloha shirt we've seen it a couple times with the old ringer style. Another one down here with Mickey and Minnie. Seriously, that could be the 1950s. Aloha. There's another one. We've got statues and lamps. Here is a tiki lamp. You can get yourself a Polynesian robe. There is all kinds of stuff. Like I said, we could be in here forever. There is so much resort-specific merchandise. It's a beautiful lobby. Let's see if we can run out here real quick and see the pool. We're running out of time. We got to get out of here, but I know you love to see the pool. I love seeing the pools at night. Let's see if we can go check it out real quick. Ah, the tiki torches. They got the movie Under the Stars going on out here. Firelight out here. I love this pool area. Take another look before we got to get out of here. That's it. Everybody looks good in the firelight. Beautiful.
Let me tell you one.
All right, it's time for us to go on to the next one. I hate to leave the poly, but we got to get going. We got at least a couple more to do. Let's go finish it. All right, adventurers, I hope you've enjoyed this overview, this quick little look at everything that the Polynesian has to offer. Now, I got some big surprises coming up for you because I am taking some big trips and doing some great, exciting things at Disney and Universal and on Disney Cruise Lines coming up. And part of that will be a long, in-depth stay at the Polynesian and a bucket list trip for a lot of you. And we are going to cover it just from one side to the other. This is my favorite resort, and I have that coming up here soon. But I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have, please consider liking and subscribing. It really does help out the channel. And until next time, this is Chase with American Vintage Adventures saying have a great AVA day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.